So this is the spring steel plate which is provided with Prusa i3 Mark III's bare upgrade 3D printer, and you have to print on top of this spring steel plate only. The yellow color sticker which you see, this is the PEI sheet which has been pasted on top of the spring steel plate. Now there is no need to remove this PEI sticker. The prints will stick only on this PEI sheet. You can remove this plate by holding it from two corners. This is the bare aluminium, this is the bare spring steel plate at both the edges, and this is your PEI sticker which has been pasted on top of this plate. The prints will stick only to this PEI sheet. This is your MK52 magnetic heated bed. This heated bed has magnets underneath it. That is why this spring steel plate sticks on top of this bed when you leave it like this. So every time you will print only on this plate and not directly on the heated bed at all. These two holes which you see here in this plate has been made only for manufacturing purpose, and these are of no importance to you. This plate fits on the heated bed like this only. You can see there are two screws here and there is a cut here on this plate. So this plate will always fit like this on the heated bed. Never try to install this plate in the opposite way. These two holes are not meant for these two screws. These two holes will not go into these two screws. In order to remove this spring steel plate, what you will do is hold this plate from these two corners like this, and then you will pull it upwards, and after that hold it from here or the center of the plate and then just pull it out. Do not drag this plate on the heated bed like this, otherwise your bed will get scratches because of this plate. In order to install this plate on heat bed, you will hold it from the center like this, and you will fit this cut against these two screws. Set it like this and then hold it from here and then just leave it. Also make sure that this plate is aligned properly on all the sides of the heated bed. So here you can see it is little bit misaligned. So we will again take it out and then you will properly align it and leave it like this. Now it is properly aligned with the bed. Make sure plate is not like this, and you cannot start printing on such misaligned plate. Also make sure there is no filament or any kind of debris in between the plate and heated bed. Always clean your heat bed properly before installing your plate on it.